We have the Mini 4 Pro and the Mini 5 Pro, and we're gonna see which one looks more stable in a heavy wind, brought to you by this leaf blower. All right, so Chris is gonna start far away, run the leaf blower at full speed, and walk towards it. I'd say he's about 20 feet away, 15, 10. Oh yeah, it's feeling it. So he's probably about 8 feet away from it at this point, maybe 6 feet away from it. And it's definitely fighting that wind, trying to stay in place. But what does the footage look like? Does it look stable? All right, now we'll try the Mini 5 Pro. And here comes Chris with the leaf blower. No, Chris, not again. And he's about 15 feet away. And yeah, it's about the same. All right, he's blowing it. The drone is really fighting. And let's see what that footage looks like. Sorry, little guy. Had to put you to the test. Chris is really going for it. Big gust. I hold up well in the wind.